your dreams regardless if you fail or succeed. G'day ladies and gents, welcome to Xrissart. My name is Chrissy and today's video is all about pushing past your fears in relation to art and to follow your dreams regardless whether you fail or succeed. You may think, why would you go on painting, drawing, even if you think you may fail in the process? But I don't see it that way. Perhaps I see the glass half full. There's a lady I see almost every day at work and have just found out that she likes to dabble in art and in particular inks. Well, I latched on pretty quick and asked enthusiastically, what kind of things do you like to paint or draw and why inks? Well, she replied, I like inks and I like what you can do with them. She also went on to say, I don't know what to paint. I have my supplies laid out and haven't started a project yet because I'm scared of failing. And then I won't want to paint and it may turn me off. I'm a bit of a perfectionist and so I always like to get it right the first time. Over the years, this is something which I've heard and read in many of the forums I follow. Now, I understand about not wanting to fail in a project. I would be the first one to put up my hand. I mean, who wants to fail in a project? What do you consider failing in a project? Would it be that you don't get the values correct? Or is the likeness in a portrait not correct? Or the lines of perspective not correct? I can go on and on. I consider none of this is failing. I see this as a lesson, and if you have to do this lesson over and over again, then so be it. I mean, what's the worst thing that could happen? If anything, you'll learn something. So that wouldn't be a fail, would it? Or what about those artists we admire and are in awe of their artwork? You can bet your bottom dollar they've been practicing for a long time. And how many times do you think they've failed before getting the outcome that they were looking for? Here's another way to look at it or to think about it. What would happen if you keep putting off painting and drawing because you think you'll fail? That would be such a crying shame. You would never start anything, and then, as time passes by, you may even regret it and think to yourself, why didn't I just do it? Look at all that fun I've missed. And that's what buzzes around in my head. Just like this project study I'm painting now, hands. One of my biggest struggles, and there are some of you that have seen me trying to always get it right. Sure, I'm not going to get it right the first time, the second time, or even the third time, but eventually I'll get it right, so long as I don't give up. Hands are not my thing, however, I want it to be part of my thing, and as I enjoy human portraiture so much, there'll always be a hand somewhere or some kind of limb that I must paint and draw in the future projects. What do you think about failing and succeeding? Do you see it the way I see it? What are your experiences? Please leave your comments in the comments section below. I would love to read how you feel about all of this. So if your dream is to accomplish or master a medium, or being able to draw or paint at a level that would make you confident as an artist, I say follow that dream and just keep on keeping on, and always making sure that you enjoy yourself in the process. You will always succeed when you don't give up.